We are back with another episode. We have our business lawyer with us, Kat.
Hi.
Here today to answering all the shortenings we need to know about in the business world, because it can be very frustrating when you don't know what people are talking about. But we're here to sort things out, so we're gonna start right on.
Yeah, and I can only add that I know. Us lawyers and finance people in M&A, in startups and every kind of investments, we love lingo and we love shortenings. And
So that's what we're gonna talk about today.
Yeah, we're gonna help out here.
So if you feel new in the startup world with the lingo, this is the episode for you.
The most exclusive part of the business, business law.
NDA.
Non-disclosure agreement. Information sharing, and you're safeguarding that information so that the other party cannot misuse it.
LOI.
Letter of intent. Typically non-binding about a deal or a transaction where you outline the general terms of that deal, also known as term sheet, TS.
S.P.A.
Share purchase agreement. It can be when you sell the whole company and be a huge document, or it can be a share purchase of some shares, a smaller transaction.
SHA.
SHA, the shareholders agreement. It's the agreement between all of the shareholders of the company, governing governance issues and economic issues of the company.
CP.
Conditions precedent, something to watch out for. Sometimes when you sign a deal, you have conditions that need to be met before the deal is actually completed, like the selling of a company. So watch out for CPs.
BOD.
Board of Directors, the board of the company.
AGM.
AGM is the annual general meeting of the shareholders of the company. So that's the yearly meeting where you typically approve the accountant, the fiscal year has ended, and other mandatory issues are addressed. So you need to have that every year.
EGM.
Extra general meeting. That is other meetings that the shareholders have. In particular, when you're going to do a new share issue, you might bring on a new investor and you need to decide on that.
AOA.
Articles of Association. That's the core document of the company. The fundamental aspects of the company will be governed by the AOA.
LIQ-PREF.
Liquidation preference. That will mean that you have a right to the proceeds of the company before other shareholders.
RoFR.
RoFR, right first refusal. So that means that before you sell, for example, your shares to a third party, you need to offer them to me. So I have a right to refuse that offer before you have a right to sell them to somebody else.
M&A.
Mergers and acquisitions. That is the buying and selling of companies. Mergers, companies merging. And acquisition, somebody's acquiring a company.
DD.
Due diligence, the audit, the investigation of a company. It can be done by the buyer, or it can be a vendor due diligence done by the seller.
So now we talked about all the shortenings. It's very helpful. So if you have a startup or in the business world, this is the thing you can really use when you're out in the business world, because it can be so confusing because it's terms everywhere and people are just talking, and sometimes you can feel like an underdog when people are just telling you the shortenings.
And I admit, us lawyers, I mean, if you hear a lawyer going on and you do not know what they are referring to, stop us. Because we're horrible at using lingo or Latin expressions or shorts. So really, there are only good questions. But we're here for you, so we're happy to discuss anything you want, sort things out, shorts, jargon, concepts.
Anything. And there are only good questions, and you can just drop them down here below in the comment field, and we're happy to answer. Thank you so much, and do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.